This is Logan coming from the Secret Chocolatier. Today I will be talking to you about how to decorate your brownie pops. In your kit you will receive 6 brownie pops, 4 bags of colored white chocolate, and 1 bag of sprinkles. To set up, you will place either a piece of parchment or wax paper. Then you will be able to lay your pops on the paper. And make sure that you have the bag of sprinkles open and ready. The bags of colors need to be microwaved. Put them in for about 15 seconds. Then squish the bag to make sure that it is all melted. If it's not all melted, repeat this step until it is fully melted. Once they are finished melting, cut a small hole in the tip of the bag. Now you can test the colored chocolate on your paper by squeezing a tiny bit out to make sure that it is fully melted. If it does not come out of the hole, then either cut a bigger hole or melt it again. Now you are ready to decorate. You can be creative. Do whatever you want. If you want to test a design, then test it on the paper first. Then once you're ready, you can do it on your pop. If you want to use the sprinkles, use the chocolate as glue. Do your design in the colored white chocolate and then sprinkle a handful of sprinkles on top. Turn over your pop to get any excess sprinkles off. Now your pops are done. Take a picture and share it with us. And then dig in. Next week.